Hello, good morning everyone. So welcome to this house worth 18.8 million here in one of the prime and executive subdivision here in Angeles City. It has 165 square meter plot area and a 280 square meter floor area. Meron siyang 4 na kwarto and 5 toilet and bathroom at meron siyang carport. So paano? Let's start our house tour. So as you can see, upon entering, so you have your parquet garden here. Okay. Ayan. And then, ito yung main entrance natin sa door. It has a thick wood, okay, material, okay? A solid hardwood material po yan. And you have your carport. So you can see your ceiling and then meron ka dito na yung sa window glass natin, right? And you're gonna have your access here papunta to sa service area, okay? So for now, let's proceed inside. Yeah, I almost forgot to mention, guys. So, itong pinto na to, meron siyang smart lock. Okay? And this is your living area. Of course, very unique ang design nito, guys. And meron siyang, nagustuhan ko dito yung acacia wood na table. Okay? And it is a high ceiling house. Okay? Ayan. Dining area. Okay, acacia rin po yung table natin. Of course, kasama sa package yan. Alright, and then this is your sliding door on the way to your service area. And we have your kitchen. So, ang kagandaan nito, it is yung ginamit na materials dito sa kitchen natin, we have the counter island. Quartz ang ginamit nila dyan. And you have your modular kitchen, your refrigerator, of course, your sink. Okay, and then, ang ganda rin po yung ginamit na design for this. Yung interior niya is very unique. Okay? And on this part naman, guys, we're gonna proceed sa powder room natin, ano? Pero kasi siyang luxury shower eh. Okay? With automatic toilet. Okay, let's proceed with the first room dito sa baba. So ang ganda ng door kasi tignan nyo on. Very tall door. Okay? And bawat kwarto dito meron siyang built-in cabinets. Ayan. So before we proceed upstairs, let's see the service area naman. Ayan. So wherein you can have your cookings here. And nandito yung maid's room mo. Okay, ito yung pwede mong gawing maid's room. And another CR. Ayan. So, nakalock lang siya. So, let's proceed upstairs. Ayan. So, okay. Check out the design ng bahay. It's very unique. By the way, guys, I almost forgot to mention, it has a CCTV system dito sa bahay. So, look at the staircase. It is a combination of wood and metal and the glass. Okay, and then WPC, and look at the wall panel. Yeah, the chandelier. Let's proceed with the second room. Ayan, so mas malaki to kaysa dun sa baba. Combine with your toilet and bathroom. So, kapareho din siya ng third room. With built-in cabinet, of course. And then, of course, kasama yung aircon dyan. And the toilet and bathroom. Ang maganda rin dito, naka-cove na ang ceiling. Yan, can we show the cove ceiling? Thank you. Alright, let's proceed with the exciting part. Ito yung natin, yung master's bedroom. Oh, ang laki ng space nito, everyone. Ayan. Ang laki ng space niya. Very nice cove ceiling, of course. The design. And then, this is your wardrobe. Okay? Linking to your toilet and bathroom. Diba? Laki, imagine yourself. Bibihis ka dito. Okay, dito yung mga gamit mo. Alright? And your vanity, of course. And ito yung toilet and bathroom niya. Ang maganda rin dito, meron siyang bathtub. Ano to eh? Nakita ko pwede siyang gawing you can have your, you will have your jacuzzi here. Okay? Now, papunta na tayo sa last part ng bahay, which is the balcony area. Now, if you're interested to this property, what are you waiting for? Message me now for more details and for you to have your personal house tour. Again, my name is Kevin. God bless and see you here.